Oh, we're doing a cold start on, what is this? Come on, talk to the camera.
A 96 F250 with the 7.3 turbo diesel, and it's been sitting since November of 2017.
So hasn't started in a while. All right, let's see. Does she roll cold or does she start at all? Hit the glow plugs again if you can.
Turned over good.
Yeah. Should start, just gotta get them cylinders warm enough. I'm thinking we're gonna need a boost.
Do you pump diesel?
What's that?
Question, do you pump diesel?
No,
No? Okay.
makes no difference.
Okay. Do you think you can drive it back to town with what's wrong with it?
I'm not 100% sure what's wrong with it.
Okay.
Except for dead batteries.